See you again and good night everyone. Now I will go detail to the point number 5. Point number 5 that means determine your target market. Determine target market number 5. Now please go detail. It is important every entrepreneur pick a target market to go after. When writing your business plan and getting your idea off the ground, think about who your target market will be. With a laundry business, your target market could be fairly broad, ranging from elderly customers who are not able to take care of the washing themselves, to busy worker moms who didn't have time to wash the family laundry, to students who don't have their own washer or driver at home. Mapping out who your target market are is vital when it comes to marketing your business. Now go to number 6, pick a prime venue. It meaning to say, if you got laundry facility at home, such as in your garage, and you live in a place that is accessible for customers to drop off and pick up their laundry, you may want to operate your laundry business from home. Failing that, look for a prime venue for your startup that is in a great location, such as on a busy street, to help get the business up and running. Naturally, the price of renting the venue will need to be factored into the business expense and taking out of potential profit. Space that has of street parking is attractive, as this make the dropping off and picking up process more convenient for customer. Number 7. Distinguish your laundry business from competitor. It meaning to say, besides making sure you have a good location, think about where you will distinguish yourself from competitor. You may want to offer specialized service, such as ironing and dry cleaning items, or offer lower price than competitor. When you open business, encourage customers to come to you by offering first week deal, such as 2 loads of washing for the price of 1. Number 8. Start to market your business. It meaning to say, once you have everything in place to open your laundry business, start marketing your venture aggressively, from posting flyers to sending direct mail, and even getting your own website launched. There are endless ways to market your laundry business to different target market. Number 9. Think about becoming a laundry franchise. It meaning to say, business franchise come with a number of benefits, including the providing of everything you will need to get your business up and running. System like laundry care partner with entrepreneur seeking to provide laundry service to local residents and commercial customers and help them build a business. I hope you listen to my 3 videos concerning how to start a business laundry you can understand and you have to be ready if you want to start a laundry business. Need to follow the 9 point here. Now I repeat the 9 point again. If you want to start a laundry business, first you have to gain experience in the laundry business, carry out marketing research, write a business plan, list the item you will need, determine your target market, pick a prime menu, distinguish your laundry business from competitor, start to market your business, think about become a laundry franchise. So I hope this video can share you some knowledge concerning how to start a laundry business, especially for the women who are free and want to start a laundry business. Bye bye, see you for my next video.